If you're married and your wife decided that she's gonna let you keep your man card, then you probably have one of these right here, a Shop-Vac. And this one right here is the 12-gallon Shop-Vac. And I gotta tell you, the thing I like about it is I've had Shop-Vacs in the past. This is heavy duty. It is high grade construction. I love the fact that this twists on right here versus just a pull out. Because when you're using it to suck up, and it does suck, it has really good suction power, but you know, when you're using it to suck up water or construction debris or whatever, last thing you want to do is you want to yank this hose and have it come off. So I know that's just a small little feature, but a lot of them don't do that. They just, you stick it in and pops off. So I love that about the Shop-Vacs. I also love the quality of the construction, the filter, high grade filter. Again, 12 gallons, wet, dry, gonna get all your water needs and anything like that. Right now, I'm just using it to vacuum out the truck, and we're actually renovating a trailer, so we have it on site, on the job site, and it just sucks up the debris like nobody's business. I don't think twice about using the Shop-Vac when I'm on a job site. I'm sucking up nails, wood, anything like that. It's all going in. I love this thing, and it sucks really, really well. There's nothing like having the original Shop-Vac. When I'm on a job site and I ask for a Shop-Vac, everybody knows what I'm talking about. Whether it's called a Shop-Vac or not, or the brand's a Shop-Vac, I would highly recommend going with the original, the OG. You can never go wrong with the OG.